A modern software-defined vehicle relies on an architecture of such extreme complexity that manual safety verification is no longer physically possible. Historically, engineers attempted to prove the safety of these systems using Microsoft Word, Excel, and static PDFs to meet compliance standards. If a supplier changes one line of code, the ripple effect invalidates hundreds of disconnected files. Tracking those broken connections by hand guarantees errors. The solution requires moving away from reading fragmented text files and instead building a single computable model, an authoritative source of truth that can be algorithmically queried. SysML version 2 is built precisely for this. It is a machine-readable language with a native API designed to hold the entire system's logic. When millions of lines of code interact with physical hardware, ensuring a vehicle will not fail requires an unbroken digital thread. Anything less falls short of mathematical proof. Older modeling languages relied heavily on visual sketches, leaving system behaviors open to human interpretation. SysML version 2 replaces those diagrams with precise logic. It runs on a foundational architecture called the kernel modeling language, or KMRL. This provides a strict mathematical baseline that translates directly into finite-state machines. Because the underlying code is absolute, engineers can write assumption guarantee contracts. These are explicit logical rules embedded in the components, dictating exactly what inputs a sensor needs and what outputs it promises to deliver. External analysis engines read these contracts and compute every possible interaction. They mathematically verify that the combined components will never generate a hazardous state. In the past, assessing data meant trapping it inside proprietary tools and forcing it through lossy exports. SysML version 2 natively supports standard REST APIs. Assessors write Python scripts to query the server directly, extracting data without opening the visual software. The assessment process shifts entirely. Instead of paging through diagrams, the auditor runs an algorithm to interrogate the system's baseline truth. Managing a highly complex, modern cyber-physical system requires an unbroken digital thread that connects every single stage of the development lifecycle. The traditional method of updating traceability matrices and spreadsheets breaks down at scale. This diagram shows the system's native linking capability. High-level safety goals maintain direct, bidirectional connections to specific software test cases. By pulling these threads, an assessor instantly spots orphaned code serving no purpose or safety requirements lacking a corresponding test. Risk analysis also merges directly into this environment through the risk analysis and assessment modeling language. Failure mode effects and fault tree analyses are no longer maintained as separate spreadsheets. They are mapped explicitly over the system's structural connections. Engineers constantly add features, risking previous safety proofs. When architecture shifts, a goal structuring algorithm immediately scans the thread, categorizing connected documents. Red items indicate underlying engineering changed, invalidating evidence. Yellow items require logical rechecks. Green items exist in isolated branches and are safely reused. This automated impact analysis removes the burden of manual review, pinpointing exactly which pieces of safety documentation a code update has compromised. Effective safety verification requires the system model to function as a live execution engine for the underlying logic. A SysML version 2 model is fully executable. It compiles the structural relationships in state machines into a functioning simulation. Verifying fallback mechanisms and complex control loops requires dynamic testing long before the physical hardware is manufactured. The architecture is integrated directly into a model-in-the-loop simulation environment. Here, an assessor runs an evaluation script, deliberately injecting a critical failure into the running simulation. The script might trigger a bit flip in the memory registers, or simulate severe latency across the vehicle's internal network. This sets off the fault-tolerant time interval, the strict time limit the system has to recognize the error and respond. The system detects the anomaly, reroutes the logic to a backup controller, and reaches a verified safe state before the clock runs out. Because the model runs in a virtual environment, scripts can launch tens of thousands of these injected faults across different edge cases in a matter of hours. Anticipating and manually writing test cases for every potential hardware and software interaction is beyond human capability. Functional safety relies on empirical proof. The architecture demonstrates its resilience dynamically under simulated catastrophic conditions. The infrastructure of system safety has shifted from isolated milestones to continuous integration pipelines. Evaluating these pipelines requires a shift in the oversight process. An auditor checking compliance against a static list of clauses cannot evaluate an evolving software-defined vehicle. The assessment role now demands technical depth. A digital auditor must script API queries, read kernel textual syntax, and interpret the mathematics generated by formal verification solvers. Development teams no longer compile massive document dumps at the end of a waterfall cycle. Instead, assessors tap into live dashboards at the end of every Agile sprint, checking the health of the model and reviewing automated test logs. This model-driven framework provides a rigorous foundation for compliance. The methodologies built around SysML version 2 will dictate the certification standards for aerospace, automotive cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence regulations like the EU AI Act. Guaranteeing the reliability of autonomous systems means abandoning human-verified paperwork. The future of safety requires an architecture built entirely on machine-verified logic.